Hey class, I just wanted to give you guys a brief introduction of how to use Google SketchUp. So you're here on the website, you're going to go to the student project and to the resource page, and you'll notice right in the middle of this in the left side of the second line is a link to SketchUp. It takes you to sketchup.com, and you're going to go ahead and click on Try SketchUp. And you guys are students. It's for school. It's a web-based only project, and that's what we're going to use in this class. So you're going to go ahead and get started, and you're going to select I am a student, continue, and you're going to launch it. And once you launch it, then it just takes a little bit for it to get launched, and then it's going to ask you for login information. And welcome to SketchUp for Schools. You're going to sign in with Google, and then you're going to enter your account for Google, and it'll automatically link you in. So once that all gets set up to where it recognizes who you are, it takes you to their website. And once we get there, I'm just going to show you a few basic tools today, but I'm also going to show you where there's a really good 8-minute long video of how to do other things as well. So if you have this option of curriculum, that's where we'll come back to. But for now, I want you to just click on the Start Modeling. And once you do the Start Modeling, it takes you to a page that looks like this. And so it can be a little intimidating at first. But a few basic things you'll want to do is learn how to use the sidebar over here. But this is a cool feature over here that you'll learn a lot from. And it's an instructor. So right now I'm clicked on the Selector tool. And so this over here tells me everything the Selector tool does. Click on the eraser, it tells you everything the eraser tool does. So you can work your way down, and the line tool is the first tool that I want you to experiment with. I want you to draw lines and see what it does. But after you've drawn your lines, I also want you to use this push-pull tool, because that's how you're going to take it from being a flat line or box on the ground, turn it into a building, because you can pull it and push it up with that tool. So these are some of the very, very basics of what you're going to be using. Over here on the side, there's also other informational things. You can also, is this the materials list components, where you can start looking at the different materials there. So all kinds of resources and tools here, and I told you before we were done I would show you where there's a video to learn more. So if you're hunting around and using that tool in SketchUp and you're still not comfortable, click on this curriculum option. I want you to scroll down to where it says SketchUp for Schools Introduction. And if you click on that one with the Start Modeling, it looks like it's just taking you back to the original kind of setup where you were. But I found that what it actually ends up doing is it takes me to my page where I was working. So you can click on Start Modeling. But here, if you look right over here, I'm going to move it so it's not in the video way. It is an actual YouTube video that you can watch that goes through giving you an introduction to everything. So hopefully this was just a basic introduction to SketchUp that you guys can now start exploring and start the basics of building your middle school that you think would be best for our area. All right? Good luck, guys. You got this. Be awesome.